She likes Texas.
Oh, I bet she does.
She would love being here all the time.
Oh. Yeah. Alright, well, welcome back to Home on the Hitch, guys. So today we just got a whole bunch of like little small tasks going on. There's a lot of stuff going on today. So fix this, continue working on the inverter setup system here. I gotta get the solar panels for this front camera. I need to get up on the roof. That's what I'm about to do. So if you want to hang around with us today on that, it's day-to-day RV life. So hang out, Home on the Hitch. All right, so it's super windy, but I gotta get these out here and at least get this front one on. The other two that we put out earlier on the other two cameras on the door side of the RV worked out well, so we ordered two more. The only thing that I don't like about these is on the cameras it has a rubber plug that goes in the back, and I'll show you that, but these don't have any kind of rubber around to seal in the back of the camera to keep it waterproof. So I have to use like a little gray turn-on tape to make that happen. Not a whole lot to it, really. Screw that down to the roof with some sealant. Point it whichever way you want to. So the cameras are charging. Get Sam's ladder put back over here for him. And earlier, the little baby goats were out. So let's go see if they're still out there. Check this little goats out. Hi, does that feel good? Yeah, it does. That feels good. Crash those ears. The biggest problem I have right now, I think, is the lack of organization in the bed of my truck, because so my workshop is my truck bed. And right now, it is a very, very disorganized workshop. Hopefully soon I'll have a bed slide in, have this a little bit more organized. Right now it is not, and it really kind of drives me crazy. So as far as working on the inverter project, let's see where we're at in here. I've got, these aren't hooked up yet. This will be the disconnect for the AC power coming out of the inverters going to the inside of the camper to the transfer switches. I still got to wire those up to the inverters. One tip for you though, if you're using stranded wire for using some of these big wires, it's a lot easier to deal with, and it's okay to use. Get yourself an end ferrule kit, end ferrules and an end ferrule crimper. And it basically takes a stranded wire and you put it in this terminal, crimp it down, and then as you can see right there, it's a hard end that you can slip underneath a screw terminal, and it makes a much better connection than just stranded wire. And now I'm distracted because we got some steaks from Omaha Steaks in the mail today. Never had them before, so we're gonna get some of that a try. I had a gift card given to me. But it comes with this giant block of dry ice. So
That's right, I didn't even touch it.
no, weren't you?
It hurts.
Ooh.
Bubble, double bubble, toil and trouble.
Stick your hand in there and see.
No, my fingers are already hurt. Just from holding the plastic. I didn't even touch the ice. Do we even have a cooler?
No. We got this one.
Well, we had that one. Until you poked holes in it. It's a cooler.
This is the coolest cooler. Back to the no fun stuff. Did you have your little alarm incident?
Well, I was coming out to feed the chickens, and I didn't know that you...
Well, I was leaving you in the shower, so I locked the door and turned the alarm
I
on.
realized that, but I didn't think about it afterwards.
What's up, chickies? And
I was like...
it's loud. Mel and her hen hawks. Oh, there's one. Oh. Gotta sneak up on Sam to get that Sam moment.
He said that.
That's Sam.
I mean, we're looking at it.
Okay. We'll see what Melissa's found over here. Check it out. Wow. Hey there.
Hi there. Her name is Sue.
Huh?
Her name is
Sue?
Sue.
Soup?
Like turtle.
Oh, turtle soup.
What else, you know?
How old?
She's just 10 years old now.
Wow.
She's got a long way to go.
Long way to go. Yeah.
Thomas, would you like a piece of cucumber?
Oh my.
Perform for cucumber.
Absolutely. She
Now,
got-
she won't bite in this. She won't snap at you, like attack you or grab at you.
Oh.
But if you get your fingers too close to her mouth and your finger slips in, she can't tell it from a small carrot. And so she'll jump down. Like that.
There you go, you missed it. Want that?
She said no, I don't want no carrot.
Oh. Yeah.
Her tongue's kind of pink, so that's a good sign. Her gums are white. You see
Yeah.
that bony
Yeah.
protrusion down under there? They'll change to a light pink as she's getting near 90 degrees.
That's funny. I'm looking for some good grass.
Hers cold.
Oh my goodness.
These little white lines are growth lines.
Yeah?
And that's how you can kind of keep track. They're not rings of a tree.
Right, right.
But you know, you can kind of come pretty close.
Yeah.
They're called the crying tortoise. They're one of the only species that their eyes will actually water. It looks like they're crying. And she does, when she gets to be about 90 degrees, she'll start to do that normally.
I'm getting some good bites.
And see these things under her neck, these two protrusions?
Yeah.
Those are called gulars. And on the female, they're short like this, but on the male, they're quite long.
Oh.
And that is their only form of defense.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, they ram each other. And when they fight, they stand off head to head and they ram towards each other. And then just before they get to each other, they pull their heads in. And so the one with the longest gular oftentimes will rip into the part of the shell.
Oh,
And
gotcha.
that's instant death almost.
She's headed to the flower bed.
5 years.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get some good stuff.
Yeah.
The chickens are like, what is going on?
Oh, she likes Texas.
Oh, I bet
real
she
well.
does.
She would love being here all the time.
Mm-hmm.
But Florida is a trip for her. We're going to go down and put our toes in sugar sand.
Oh my goodness, she will enjoy that.
Yeah.
Headstrong, though. Very headstrong. If she makes a decision to go that way for a reason, there's no getting her back.
Oh
There
yeah.
is. We can pick her up and take her home.
Try to lift her. See what that's
Well,
like.
I
No,
mean,
no,
between-
give her a little heft.
between us.
Give her a little heft and see if you can heft her. Let's see how heavy she really is for me.
Oh.
And honest to God,
my
Ninja
goodness.
Well,
Turtles.
and you've got, you know, she's like.
She does this energy thing like
Yeah.
a ninja.
Hey. Yeah, there's a turtle over there. You can't see it. Come on.